In this video, we're going to be installing ISR motor mounts. I'm sure you guys have heard of them, but if you haven't, they're pretty much just polyurethane, which is like a really strong plastic and something else, but it's pretty much a really hard plastic. And the reason you want to, install these is pretty much what they look like. So you got 2 rings on the top, 2 rings on the bottom, 1 bolt running through the center, and your polyurethane bushing. So the main reason you want to install those is they reduce a lot of your play, like in your engine, and a lot of its torque knock or whatever it's called. Because one, the stock motor mounts, they suck, and 2, on a 91 or 90s car, they're usually always clapped out and they're just garbage. And when you dump the clutch, just things like that, just driving around, the engine tends to rock around a lot because the torque and all that. So these will help you, kind of keep the engine kind of more like stable and not rock around so much. If you want something more than this, you can go with solid, but solid motor mounts, it's literally what it sounds like. It's just a block of like aluminum or steel, whatever, and your engine can't really rock. And from what I've heard from those is that you hear a lot of vibration, a lot of noise and all that. Same with these, I've heard that you hear a lot of vibration and a lot of noise and all that, but it's definitely worth the feel. And so yeah, I'll probably make a little review on these if you guys want to see that. Check out my channel in a few months or so, or weeks maybe, and I'll be making a little tiny review on that, or just kind of explaining. And yeah, let's just get straight into installing this. It's a really easy install, so that's good. But yeah, let's throw these on the car. So I'm sure I forgot to tell you guys, but it's gonna be a lot easier for me because I don't have an engine in the car. Stay tuned to see if I get the car running or not. Hopefully I will. But pretty much to do this, from what I've seen, like if you have an engine, just lift it up from the oil pan. I wouldn't really say like the center of the oil pan, probably like the sides or the edges. I know that's not really a good idea, but it should be fine. Just jack it up just a tiny bit, take the old motor mount out, toss a new one in, and then you're good to go. So as far as the install, you want to just take your nut off, take your lock washer off. I don't know if you guys can see this. And take your other washer off. Once you got the lock washer off and the washer and the nut, you pretty much just grab it like this and you stick it in. I don't know, yeah, you guys can see, like that, and you're pretty much set. And then you just put both your washers and your nut in the bottom and you tighten it. And these are adjustable, so as you can see, there's 4 rings, 2 on the bottom, 2 on the top. If your engine sits too high for whatever reason, you could remove 2, 1 from the bottom, 1 from the top, or you could rock it like this. I'm going to try to rock it like this to see if I can get the engine to sit as high as possible, because in the future I'm planning on going pretty low with this car. So I'm going to keep it like this, but if this doesn't fit, you could just remove these, and that's pretty much how you install it. And then you just get your motor mount, well, the actual part, this part that mounts to the engine, and you put this bolt through that, and that's pretty much how it sits. But like I said, I have the motor out right now, so I can't really show you guys, but that's pretty much how you install a motor mount. One thing that I just remembered is I ordered the 2 motor mounts, polyurethane, and I completely forgot to order the trans mount. I just looked at it right now. It's not expensive. It's 50 bucks, pretty cheap. And I'm gonna be ordering that to throw in the car in the future. But like I said, I forgot until I saw these right now, and I was like, wait, I think I'm missing something, and that's what I'm missing. But the one that it has right now, it seems like it's in pretty good shape, so I'll rock these for the motor mounts, and the trans mount, I'll keep it like that for a while until the other one comes, once I order it and everything. But yeah, I'll be ordering the trans mount, so don't freak out in the comments. So that's pretty much how you install the ISR motor mounts. It's really simple. But yeah, that's it for this video. I'll see you guys in the next one.